Hi guys, we have another box we received today from Charm Essential USA. Yun ang name ng page nila, Facebook page. Palaging sold out yung mga beauty product nila or mga paninda nila kasi mas mura sila sa lahat na seller dito sa buong Amerika. Open natin. Both. I get two. Chum. I get two with that. Another one. Serum. Another soap. Another soap. And of course, always sila namimigay ng mga freebies. Sila lang yung seller na namimigay palagi. This is my second time order of Charm Essential USA product. I-try nyo, ilagay ko yung Facebook page nila sa video na ito. Bye! This is my second order from Charms Essentials USA. I love their prices. A lot cheaper compared to other websites.